Now the next method of preparation, it is the Freind-Lanner synthesis. Now this Freind-Lanner quinoline synthesis, it is used for the synthesis of the quinoline and its derivative. Okay. In this reaction, there is a reaction between the orthoamino benzaldehyde and with carbonyl compound. For example, aldehyde or the ketone, and there is a rehydration takes place, and finally we get the quinoline. This reaction, it is called as the Freind-Lanner quinoline synthesis. Now look at in this reaction, orthoamino benzaldehyde contains the amino group, and amino group contains the two hydrogens. Now into the example is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde contains the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, this oxygen and these two hydrogens from the amino group, they will attach to each other, and there is a removal of one water molecule. Okay. Now after that, this hydrogen give lone pair of electron toward the nitrogen. This oxygen takes lone pair of electron from this oxygen. So this become carbon electron deficient, nitrogen electron rich. Now this nitrogen, it will attack on this CH group. Okay, and there is attachment of this whole group toward the nitrogen. Look at this structure. Aldehyde group on the benzene ring as it is, and there is a nitrogen double bond CH3. Now this double bond can be formed because carbonyl oxygen, it is bonded by double bond, so that the remaining upcoming group will attach to the nitrogen. It also form the double bond. So N double bond CH3, this group will be attached to the benzene ring. So we get this structure. Now into the next step, there is a abstractions of the proton from this CH3 group. Now H2O water, it is acts as the strong base. It will abstract this proton from the CH3 group. So CH3 becomes CH2. Okay. Now after the removal of the proton from this CH3, the lone pair of electron of the hydrogen, it will be comes toward the carbon atom. So this carbon acquires the negative charge. So it is called as the carbene. We can see into the next step. So here carbon bears the negative charge and lone pair of electron, so it is carbene. Now in this structure, carbon oxygen double bond is present. Double bond break, lone pair of electron shifted on the oxygen. This oxygen becomes negatively charged, this carbon electron deficient. Now we have the carbene. There is a attack of this electron rich carbene toward the electron deficient carbene. Okay, so electron deficient carbon atom. Carbene attack on carbocation, means carbon. So there is a cyclization takes place. We get the cyclic structure in this form. Okay. Look at this cyclic structure can be formed. Now the oxygen bears lone pair of electron from this double bond. So into the water, there is a formation of the H3O positive. Now H3O positive, it is called as the hydronium ion. This hydronium ion, it is comes from these steps.